Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to manage Netflix parental control. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply manage your Netflix parental control, all you gotta do is simply go to your Netflix on your web browser. Once you're in your Netflix through your web browser, you can simply go to the account page in the browser section. After doing this, you can simply set your profile specific maturity ratings, create a profile lock pin, and restrict specific titles. Key features include creating specialized hit profiles, setting maturity levels to 7 plus, 13 plus, or 16 plus, and blocking specific movies or TVs. So, as I mentioned in the video prior, you need to log in into the web browser version. You need to tap on the profile action, go to your accounts, and then set the maturity rate and simply adjust the autoplay as well. So this way you can manage your parental controls on Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.